Ayan, so good evening everyone. Welcome to our live stream and welcome to Lemuria Legend. Alright, so an MU online that you can play on your mobile and Windows PC. Alright, so going back guys to our event, this is gonna be the second week of Ark of War Season 4. And just wanna give you a recap. The first week battle was won by the Chinese Guild and the Bona Kings. Alright, so the two guilds have 1 point each guys. And for today's event, we do have the Bona Kings, the Chinese Guild, and enemy guild. Alright, so there are 3 guilds registered on today's event guys. And there are 2 maps for them to invade. That's gonna be the Alkmaar and the Deventer. So let's visit the Alkmaar first. Alright, so sino nga ba ang unang kukuha sa mapa ng Alkmaar, guys? At sino ang unang kukuha sa mapa ng Deventer? Alright, so there will be a weekly Lemurian reward for Season 4. That will be 10,000 Lemurian per map. So which means if you have or the guild successfully invaded 2 maps, the guild will be receiving a total of 20,000 Lemurian. And at the end of Season 4, the champion will be receiving crafting materials for 4th wing. That will be 10 attempts. And then the second place will be receiving crafting materials for 4th wing as well. That's gonna be 6 attempts. So that's gonna include Feather of Garuda, Flame of Garuda, or should I say Condor, or yeah, Flame of Garuda, Golden Sentence, and Jewel. Alright, so ayun na nga mga kaibigan, Bona King successfully captured the map of Alkmaar, while the Chinese Guild captured the map of Deventer. Yung enemy parang alliance sila ng Bona Kings. Feeling ko alliance ng Bona Kings yung enemy, men. Tamang bantay lang dito yung mga taga-enemy guild. Ayan, for their alliance, which is Bona Kings, man. Bona Kings to, no? Ally ito ng Bona Kings, no? Alright, so yun na nga mga kaibigan. Kinuha na rin ng mga taga Bona Kings ang mapa ng Deventer, guys. So we're gonna change map after 5 minutes. We're gonna transfer to Deventer to see what going on in Deventer map. Ayan, patap-tap naman ng live stream natin mga kaibigan. Baka naman. Guys, do you have any suggestion regarding on the next event that we do have on the server? Alright, so ayun na nga mga kaibigan, pumasok na ang China sa mapa ng Alkmaar. Grabe, BK lang yung pumasok men, no? Inubos niya yung mga taga-enemy guild. Grabe naman tong Chinese na to mga kaibigan, level 960. Naka-kantata set lang ata siya or rave set. O, kantata lang to, no? Kantata, hindi naman to blue eye, level 960 pa lang eh. Grabe naman yan, nakakantata or rave set lang, pero most likely feeling ko ano to, rave. Ang likot mo naman, men. Grabe, rave set oh. Rave set or kantata palagay nyo? Alright, so lipat naman tayo guys sa Deventer. So there are two maps that was successfully invaded by the Bona Kings guys. At eto na nga dito, dumidepensa ang mga taga Bona Kings mga kaibigan. At nagbabadya ang mga taga Chinese. Grabe ako neto men, no? Ito yata yung guildmaster nila eh. What's gonna be the strategy coming from the Chinese guild mga kaibigan to steal the map from the Bona Kings guild? Shout out to our viewers guys. You are watching Lemuria Legend. This is available on mobile and Windows PC. Kakainis talaga binding. Nakakainis talaga yung binding men. Pero kung wizard ka, okay lang kasi may teleport ka eh. Kahit mabind ka, pwede kang mag-teleport. Pero kung ibang class ka, wala kang teleport, kapag na-binding ka, nakaka-bad trip talaga, hindi ka makagalaw. Pero masakit, paralysis. Alright, so ayun na nga guys, nawala ang iilan sa mga taga Bona Kings. I guess they're gonna try to defend the map outside the tower. Or maybe they're gonna change map to Alkmaar. Alright, since sumugod dito yung Chinese, hindi nila nakuha yung Deventer, they might try to steal the Alkmaar map. So, let's see what's gonna happen mga kaibigan. Dapat sinasabihan nila ako saan sila pupunta eh. Walang tao tuloy dito. Oh, ayun na nga guys, nasa Alkmaar map ang Bona Kings. Baka sabihin ng mga nanonood, walang naglalaro dito sa server. Di nilang alam, umaalis yung mga player sa mapa. So that's one of their strategy guys. Since I'm gonna show what's happening nearby the tower, they are trying to defend the map outside the perimeter. So, that's, which is kind of far in the tower. So, syempre, lalabas sila, dun sila magda-def. Ayan, dito banda. Siyempre lalabas sila. Or maybe they are just trying to change map. Alright, so ayun na nga guys, nakuha na ng mga taga-China ang mapa ng Deventer guys. Kapag nawala yung Bonagings dito, lilipat tayo sa Deventer. So I just wanna let everyone know guys, if we do have some players watching the game, there's an ongoing event on the server which is Tower of Heroes event, or also known as Blood Castle, you know, which is a literal term for MU Online. You can check the ranking in the menu. Just click on menu, social, leaderboard, and then just scroll down the page. At the bottom, you will see TOH ranking. Alright? And the first, the top 1 to top 10 will be receiving Gold Dragon. The top 11 to top 30 will be receiving Jade Dragon. Alright? And of course, you will be receiving in-game mail as well regarding on the instruction or mechanics of the event. So this event is good until July 9 only. 12 o'clock server time. So that's gonna be on Wednesday next week. The event is good until Wednesday next week, guys. Alright, so going back mga kaibigan, wala na dito ang mga taga Bonaking. So let's visit the map of Deventer guys. Where, you know, hawak ng mga taga China. Grabe, parang kulang yung mga Chinese, man. I kind of feel that the team of Chinese is lacking of members. Wala yung mga mamaw ng Chinese. So I'm not sure if, you know, if it's their rest day or anything, you know. Kulang yung mga Chinese, no? Wala yung top 1 White Mage. Wala yung BK. Parang RF lang yung hitter nila na solid ngayon. Wala si Sai. Yung Illusion Knight. No, wala yung hitter nilang White Mage, Illusion Knight, BK. Yung meron lang nila dito is yung ano, RF. Kulang yung Chinese. Bali lang teams naglalaban ba? Kala ko balimbing, sabi ni Rose Ann Escalona. Ilang team pala yung tanong? Tatlo. There are 3 guilds. Registered on today's Arc Hour. Wala na intense. Nandyan pa sila pero di sila nag-e-event. Ellie. Kasi nandyan pa sila sa ranking men eh. Nandyan si Pacman. Ayan o. Nandyan pa si Pacman. Si Gangsta. Si Hugo. Nandyan pa yung mga mamaw nila men eh. Si Nanat Angela. Oh. Nandyan pa yung mga mamaw ng ano. Nandyan pa si sa BK. Sino sa BK? Nandyan pa si Mr. Top DK. Di lang sila nag-e-event. Ako ito si Dave Bap. Ikaw pala yan. Dave. Alright, so going back mga kaibigan, last 17 minutes and 20 seconds. At grabe naman tong Dark Lord na to, napakakunat mga kaibigan. Ito siguro yung naka 4th wing legendary. Alright, so nawala yung Dark Lord men. So most likely they have summoned that Dark Lord. So kasi kung mamamatay yun, dadapa naman yung character niya eh. Pero kapag nawala, most likely na-summon yun ng isa pang Dark Lord, no? Kasi kapag namatay, dadapa yung character eh. So kapag hindi siya ayan o, halimbawa yan, nadapa, ibig sabihin namatay. Pero kapag di yan dumapa, ibig sabihin may nag-summon sa na-disband ata, sabi ni Wiggy. Ako guildless na. Na-disband na ata, sabi ni Wiggy. Ayan, share mo naman yung live stream natin, Wiggy. Baka naman. Di natin alam, baka na-disband na nga yung Intense. Yung iba, baka lumipat na. Yung iba, nasa Intense pa din. So, I'm not sure what's gonna be their plan. If they have really quit or fake quit or they are just trying to take some rest. Sa page mo. Sa page mo, malamang. Kahit saan walang i-share. Alright, so going back mga kaibigan, dalawang mapa na ang hawak ng mga taga Bona Kings Guild. Dapat sumali ka na, Wiggy. Iniisip ko nandito ka sa dito sa Arca War eh. Salamat sa pag-share, Michael Jan. Akala ko nandito ka, Wiggy. Wiggy. Bawal daw, Pops. Bakit bawal? Walang bawal-bawal. Pwede kang mag-event. Ano ka ba? Konti nga yung Chinese men. Ang dami nilang kulang. Wala si Sai, wala yung white mage na Mamaw. Si Sai, yung white mage, yung Vicky. Yung nandito lang na hitter nila yung RF. Sabi ng China may nagre-reklamo daw. Okay lang yan, ano ka ba? Bawal lang kapag sila Moria Legend na yung nagsabi. Ako nga, di naman ako sinasabihang bawal na may guild ako eh. Kumbaga sa akin lang to kasi para walang issue. Wala yung mga mamaw ng China. Uy, salamat sa pag-share, Wiggy. Tapos comment ka nun at followers, mga ganun. Kaya wala sila. May send ako dun sa program, Pops. May problema ata. May problema ba? Sa Discord? Yun. Akala ko may problema sila sa pag-register or paglaro. Yung problema pa nila sa account nila, no? Let's just hope for the best when there's an issue on the server that needs to be resolved. Pero di ko nasakop yan eh. Kapag ako personal yung concern, di ko talaga nire-raise. Hanggat maaari. Buti nga kayo, hindi kayo nasasabihan nila Moria Legend eh. Kasi naalala ko dati, nag-raise ako ng concern. Binalik lang din sa akin. Sabi nila, just ask them to send us a ticket. Parang ganun. Kasi it's no longer our responsibility if they're having a personal issue on their account. Pinaka-responsibility lang natin is general concern about the server. Kung lag ba, issue ba lahat ng player to or karamihan ng player, mga ganun. Pero syempre, it's just fine if we have raised the concern. Wala naman mawawala eh. Tsaka tulong din natin sa player yon. Pero kumbaga, walang sama ng loob if, if the admin did not accept our concern. Kasi may ticket naman eh. Alright, so going back guys, last 11 minutes and 15 seconds, hawak ng mga taga Bona Kings ang Alkmaar, samantalang hawak ng mga taga China ang Deventer map mga kaibigan. At nandito si Smart 100, si Rafi Tulfo, si M&M, guys. Mahihirapan yung China, wala yung mga core nila eh. Follow up mo na lang, follow up mo na lang. Alright, so hawak ng mga Bona Kings ang dalawang mapa, guys. So I just wanna give you a recap, guys, regarding on Season 4 of Arca War. Leading ang Bona Kings at ang Chinese Guild with 1 point each, since they have successfully captured the map last week. Alright, they have successfully captured one map per guild. Ayan. So they have both received 1 point, mga kaibigan. And if they have successfully, let's just say Bona King successfully captured 2 maps, guys, they will be receiving 2.5 points. There will be additional 0.5, alright, if the guild successfully captured 2 maps. Kaya pag dalawa yung nakuha ang mapa ng Bona Kings, they will be receiving 2.5 points. And regarding on the reward, they will be receiving a total of 20,000 Lemurian. That's just weekly, guys. And for Season 4, the champion will be receiving crafting materials for 4th wing. That will be 10 attempt. That includes Feather of Garuda, Flame of Garuda, Golden Sentence, and Jewels. Grabe, 4th wing is real. Pero ang kuna nung Dark Lord, yung Guildmaster ng Chinese, man. Yung Chinese, yung Guildmaster siguro nila yung naka 4th wing. Hindi man nata siya napapabagsak, parang sinasamon lang siya eh. Aba! Wizard na si Koismao. Nagpalit na siya. Iniwanan niya na ang Grow Lancer. Parang ang liit ng 3rd wing ng Magic Gladiator, no? Parang kulang sa effect, man. Uy, grabe si Matcha. Magpapabagsak. Tinry ko nga mag-boss hunt. Medusa. Yun yung pinakamahinang world boss. Yung Medusa. Grabe, wala man lang akong bawas, men. Ang lupit nung Medusa. Wala akong bawas. Kaya napapaisip ako kung magpapalit na ako ng build ko dun sa wizard ko eh. From Evil Spirit to Meteor Strike. Tapos iniisip ko na rin mag-upgrade ng item, syempre. Grabe, sana all Ice Dragon, no? Sobrang hina ng wizard ko. Nagmumukha lang malakas yung wizard ko sa mobs kapag nakaspot ako. Pero kapag boss hunt, PvP, grabe. Walang kagalaw-galaw. Meron na po ba first lion mount? Meron nang naka first lion mount dito. Alam ko eh, Chinese. Yung naka first lion. Solid yung Chinese, man. Mabilis lang sila. Mabilis lang silang buo. Spender kasi sila eh. Tsaka masipag sila. Magsipag silang mag-hunt. Aside from pagiging spender nila, talagang ano sila, men, masipag sila mag-hunt, mag-boss hunt, di ba? Yung ibang spender, di naman sila nagbo-boss hunt eh. They spend because they are kinda busy on their personal life. So, for them to enjoy the game, for them to be able na makasabay, sometimes they are spending some, some amount. So, pero yung Chinese, aside from being a spender, talagang masipag sila, nagbo-boss hunt sila. Yung iba naman, wala silang panggastos, syempre, free to play. So, dinadaan naman nila sa sipag. Diba? Mag-boss hunt, may guild, golden invasion, buy and sell. Pero yung Chinese, spender at saka masipag talaga sila, men. But they don't do buy and sell. Yung Chinese parang walang buy and sell sa kanila. Talagang ano sila, men. Boss hunt lang. Yung ibang resources nila. For them to earn items and Lemurian and some stuff on the game. Alright, so last 4 minutes mga kaibigan, malapit nang matapos ang pangalawang linggo ng Arca War. Dalawang mapa ba ang makukuha ng Bona Kings or kukunin ng mga taga-China ang isang mapa? Ayan, shout out to our 15,000 viewers, guys. You are watching Lemuria Legend, MU Online that you can play on your mobile and Windows PC. You can simply search this game, guys, on Google Play Store. Just search for Legend of Lemuria. And if you are using iOS device, just search for Lemuria Legend on App Store. And if you are using Windows PC, you can visit the website for you to download the game, which is legend.mu, guys. Tatlong minuto na lang mga kaibigan. Konti lang yung Chinese ngayon. Palagay ko, this is the best time for Bona Kings to capture 2 maps. No? Rage Fighter lang yung hitter nila na malakas na nandito ngayon eh, yung Chinese eh. Wala yung White Mage, wala si Sai na Illusion Knight, wala yung BK. RF lang yung hitter na malakas ng China. Siyempre may mga ibang hitter sila, pero kumbaga yung pinaka-core nila, yung ano lang, yung RF lang. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds, guys. 1 minute 40 seconds. Sabi dito ni Smart 100. Ano kaya kanilang binabalak? 1 minute 40 seconds daw. Kasi lalakad pa. Ha? Si Smart 100 ata ang isa sa mga ano nila, commander. Go, tara, sabi ni Smart 100, oh. Go, tara! Tara, let's. Di ka na. Tara, punta tayo. Dito ba tayo, boy? Alright, so nandito tayo sa mapa ng Deventer, mga kaibigan, na kung saan magkikita natin ang depensa ng mga taga-China. Ito, yung RF lang yung ano dito, men. Balakid sa kanila kung tutuusin. Pero itong Guildmaster nila, sobrang kunat. Walang duda ito siguro yung Guildmaster. Kasi sobrang kunat niya, men. Alright, so wala na sa 1 minuto, mga kaibigan. What's gonna be the strategy coming from the Bona Kings to capture 2 maps? And what's gonna be the strategy coming from the Chinese Guild to defend their map, mga kaibigan? Eto na nga, mga kaibigan, sinasalubong na nila ang mga taga Bona Kings, guys. Ngunit dinaanan lang sila ng mga taga Bona Kings. Hindi na nila pinalagan yung RF, men. Sabi nila, hindi naman to all about PK. At eto na nga, guys. Wala na. At there you go, guys. Bona King successfully captured the Deventer map, mga kaibigan. Eto, yung RF, dapat tumayo na lang siya dun sa isa sa mga bilog, eh. Hindi na nila sinalubong, eh. Sinalubong nila, eh. Siyempre, di naman papalag yung Bona Kings kagad. Siyempre, pupunta na sila diretso dun sa bilog. Ayan, and congrats to Bona Kings for successfully captured 2 maps. Nagkamali dun yung ano, men. Yung China, mali yung def nila. Sinalubong nila, eh. Dapat tumayo na lang sila dun sa bilog, eh. Dinef na lang nila dun, eh. Paki mo, sabi siguro nila, eh, no? And so guys, thank you so much for those who dropped by to our live stream. For those who tap the heart button to support the live stream. Once again, this is Lemuria Legend, an MU online that you can play on your mobile and Windows PC. Just simply search the game on Google Play Store. Just search for Legend of Lemuria. And if you are using iOS device, just search for Lemuria Legend on App Store. And if you are using Windows PC, you can visit the website for you to download the game. So, laro na kayo, men. Kita-kits in game. There's a starter gear good for 15 days. There is a 12 hours back in game for you to help you out grinding level. So, napaka-solid, men. And there's a trade player to player, guys. Alright, so salamat guys. See you again on Sunday, which is the 2nd week of Castle Siege Season 4. See you when I see you. Bye-bye!